Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
The Right Honorable Speaker of the State House of Assembly, the Chairman of our party, Ambassador Desmond Dakao, the former Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, Senator John Asutan Bata, Senator-elect Rivers East, of public offices. There shall be rotation of our public offices appointed and elective. You took the chairman of the party. You took the president. And we came to you. This is against the spirit and letter of our constitution. Give us back chairman. He said no. You must have it all because you have won. I said, be careful. I said, be careful. I said, be careful. Be careful now. And nobody wants to remember all this thing when we are shouting. So, forget about all these young boys who are Yahoo, going about posting rubbish in social media. They put my picture somewhere, they bring this language, they bring this voice, they put together, they say it's wicked. They now went and brought a soldier saying I wanted to pay them bribe. Army has refuted that. You remember in 2019, when I was saying that the military were rigging our elections, you remember that? Yes. The soldiers came and said, oh, because I was trying to bribe them because they refused. Now what they have done again, now they bring that video back. That is what the army said. You remember in 2016 rerun, when they brought a voice that, oh, I was telling one person to rig election. 2016 rerun, and which was false. They have again brought, so you should be very careful of what you hear, what you listen. Everybody know that I went to my polling unit to vote. It took me 4 hours. My wife couldn't even vote. If I was to be angry, it was there I would have started to be angry. But I said, well, it's the first time we are using beavers, so you don't expect it to be perfect. So I left. So all kind of manner of things they post. But those things will not affect me. You know me very well. It will not affect me. So anybody who wants to be a governor, come out. Don't be hiding under. I watched some of them on channel last night telling lies. I saw the SDP go back and lies upon lies. People don't have shame. What I say this morning is what I will say in the afternoon. Is what I will say in the night. And that is what calls a man. A man is not because you go to bed with a woman every time. No. That goes beyond that. It goes beyond that. Your people should know whom you are. Your people should know that when you speak yes, your yes is a yes. When you say no, your no is a no. I came here, I told you I was going to do this, I was going to do that. And I'm happy coming back. You have even said it here. I've done this, I've done this, I've done this. Let them come, even when they were in government, what they said they would do and what they did for you. Imo State, Abia State, they now use this road and come to rivers, is it not? This is a federal road. It's not a federal road.
It's a federal road.
When Oishi was speaking, he said the remaining 3 kilometers. So Oishi, that one I don't know. The one I know, now the one where they measure give me. And it was their commissioner also, the Austin Willing. Ben Choma, he was commissioner there. That's what they measured. And that's what I took. But because you want to be satisfied, I will satisfy you.
Yes, we get
What other people are demonstrating, me have commissioning project. I have not done to do demonstration. My own is to commission projects to make my people to be happy. Ndeche kanka. Or kanka. Is it not for mouth? Not for mouth? Give me no we are. As I said, I will go Senate. And I'm not going to Senate. I beg, I'm going to leave this mobility people very good.
Happy man.
So, these 2-3 kilometers, what I say, it's not important to reach to Ibodo, to reach to Imo. What was I make you pay me money? I'm doing road now to connect to. So, Centraco, Commission of Works, we'll let them go and complete that 3 kilometers.
Yes, we get better.
So, are you happy now? No, Charity, happy now. Very, very happy. Are you going to make me happy? Very, very happy. On Saturday, your phone must have SIMO. Your phone must have what? What we are doing now is a local election, it's not a national election. Do you understand me? All your thumb printing now must be umbrella. All your thumb printing now must be what?
Umbrella.
Must be what?
Umbrella.
Must be what?
Umbrella.
Even if you there with your wife, talk umbrella.
Yes.
As far as they sleep, do waiting. Talk umbrella. As far as they pass this choro, do waiting.
Umbrella.
As if they call your girlfriend, do waiting.
Umbrella.
Even when they chop, do waiting.
Umbrella.
As far as they go back, what are we going to do there?
Umbrella.
This umbrella now for this Saturday election. Don't know so. The other one I say, what can I do as I want them? And as I do them, I like them. On that basis, I call our leaders to join us as we commission this Chokocho Ibodo Road.
Yes, we get okweme, okule, omene, okweme. Yes, we get okweme, okule, omene. I said, na talk and do. It's a quality project, na talk and do. When you talk and we don't do, okweme. Yes, we get okweme, okule, omene. It's a project, okweme, okule, omene. Mr. Project yes, Mr. Project yes, we can talk and do. Yes, we can Sergeant Awusu. Yes, we can Mr. Project yes, we can yes, we can yes, we can Big man, big man. Big man. You don't know what I big man, big man. Big man.
show my humble self from the State on this 6th day of March 2023. To God be the glory.
Amen.
The national anthem.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.